Hello, this is the demo video for our assessment 2. Our project bases on VR glasses and smartwatch, and it enables people to get professional dance training indoor, and the users can also invite their friends to dance with them. Our design consists of two hardware. The VR glasses on the left side of the screen. It provides users with the main interactive interface. By wearing this device, users can enter the virtual world to practice dancing and get feedback. The smartwatch on the right side is mainly used together with VR glasses to capture the user's movements, because we think that if we only rely on the VR headset, it cannot accurately capture the user's movements. But our software needs to accurately obtain the user's gesture to correct the user's dance movements. So we use the watch and the VR set together to simulate the user's real-time movements as much as possible. Of course, the watch can also be used to monitor the user's body information, such as heartbeat and heat consumption during dancing. Okay, let's go to the user interface of the software. What I need to explain in advance here is that because our software is built in a VR headset environment, so in fact the interactive interface of the software and the dancing scene are all 3D, and we used the 2D interface here is only for presentation purpose. Users who put on the VR headset will first see the main interface here, which obtain four functions. Users can click the interface in the virtual world with their hands. Users can customize the background of dancing by clicking on the player settings in the middle. Users can choose a dance room, a park, or even a stage as their environment for dancing. Users can also choose their own unique avatar by clicking on different face shapes and choosing their favorite clothes. Users can back to the main interface through the back button in the upper left corner. On the left side of the main interface is the single-person dancing function. After the user choosing to dance along, they can choose their favorite songs or dances to practice. Entering the dance interface, the sensors in headset and watch will capture the user's real-time gesture and then project it into the center of the screen. We can notice the yellow, green, and red area here, which are used to correct the user's dance movements. Actually, in the VR headset, they are three-dimensional, and users can correct their movements by positioning their bodies into these areas. In addition, we can see a dance progress bar at the top of the screen to tell the user how many actions are currently completed. On the left side of the screen, we can see that some suggestions which is based on the user's actions. And on the right side of the screen is the user action score. The lower right corner is telling the user what the next action is. It is worth noting that we did not add a back button into the dance interface, because we added a physical button to the user headset to implement the function of the existing when dancing, so that the users can immerse themselves in dancing. Let's go back to the main interface. The party function on the right allows users to challenge their friends. In this interface, the user and friends are on both sides of the screen. The system will give the dancers a score according to their actions, and the user with the higher score will be rewarded. Of course, in addition to battling with friends, users can also work with their friends to complete a dance together. Imagine that several dancers can use this function to complete the rehearsal before the official performance of a multi-person dance, even they are in different places. This function is very helpful. In the case of COVID-19, that's our core interactions and the main features. And thanks for your watching.